everybody, it's Nikki with Out the Store, and I'm in the RV. There's not much space in the kitchen. There it is. That's it. That's the space I have in the kitchen. And so I do a lot of my food prep before we even leave. Now, we're not full-time RVers. We're just doing excursions. We're doing 5, 10, 14 days. And because I'm not full-time, I can spend my time getting my food ready before we head out on our trip. And there's a couple reasons why I do that. One is our cute little oven and stove requires propane. I'd rather use that propane to heat up a shower or keep us warm at night rather than spend a lot of time cooking. I'm also like a crock pot queen too. And I don't want to use a lot of electricity getting the food ready. We left the house to leave the house. I don't want to spend time cooking and getting all of this prepared. I'm not much of a foodie at home, but on the open road, it kind of kicks in. So this week, before we head out on our trip on Friday, I'm starting to do all the food prep, and I want to show you some of that. So my first tip is, prep your food at home before you go as much as you can. The second one is get on our Facebook page because you're going to want to connect to some of these recipes. Really fun, really easy meals, that are our favorites in the RV, and we have some fun with it too. It's not just beef stroganoff and Boilermaker chili. Mostly it is, but we also have some bacon grease cookies. Oh my god, fantastic stuff! Yummy, yummy, yummy.